Okay, so it's 4:44 in the morning, and it's raining inside the house. It's very loud. A tree just broke outside, and the rain it's much worse than it was before we tarred the roof. It's raining in multiple spots now. You can see there's a spot right there, and there's a spot right there. This little guy right here is now leaking profusely onto the plywood. Oh my god. Oh my god. And there we go. It's raining inside the house. This is just great. This is much worse than before we did anything to the roof. Now we need to get buckets. This is horrible. And then, of course, the corner over here. Oh, I can see all the rain on me. The corner over here is still leaking like a mother. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, it's actually right here. Right there. What just fell?
My phone.
Oh. Yeah, everything down here is wet. My sleeping bag is wet. So, yeah.
Books.
I guess our night is over because now we have to fix the leaks.
Oh, fix the leak my ass.
Well, we have to get buckets and fucking towels and shit.
I don't have buckets. Or towels.
We need to move the couch now. That shit is
Over
getting...
here?
Oh my god. We just need to move it somehow.